Hello. Headlight install, part 2. Well, part 1B. Go.
That was the most climatic intro ever.
So what Vincent was trying to say is
Headlight install, part B.
these headlights may look familiar, because they are. We just did it on the 7.5, and now we are putting 7.5 headlights on the 7, because Vincent also has the halogen bulbs. And instead of getting, what he originally wanted to get was the 7 HIDs, the U ones, but he liked the style of the 7.5s better, so that's the one that we're going with. The video for the 7.5 came out before this, so we're not going to go.
You're gonna put these in 2 different videos?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 different installs.
Okay.
Or depending how much footage I get, maybe I'll just cut this in, we'll see. But for now, this is its own video. We won't go too in depth because we literally just filmed it. Yeah.
Sweet. So loose in the beginning?
Oh, this
Passenger
this is
out.
the new one.
Bumper
Well,
off.
mine came installed where you would install halogen, so it didn't have the little hole here. So mine came factory with that on there. It came with those in the box. So I had to pull the O-ring off the one that was connected and then put that one in.
What are you talking about?
Just
O-ring.
The little rubber O-ring that we ended up
Oh.
finding.
Smells like
Did Vincent come with one?
Yeah, his came pre-installed with the HID one on there.
smells like candy.
Oh, nice.
Maybe sweatshop.
Yeah, that's it. Smells like Chinese labor.
Okay, Tyler, what do?
Okay. Pop out your little green ring. So you gotta, I take your gloves off for this one. White and blue. Shit, which one's the ground? Blue,
So like
I would assume
Tyler's
is ground.
doing the HID conversion.
Does it say in the directions?
You got the same exact thing that, no you didn't.
No, my bulbs
No.
were different. I ordered
That's
them
right.
from Morimoto. Alright, hopefully that's enough. We try to do minimal. Nope.
Too minimal.
A little bit too minimal, boys.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Motherfucker.
Bruh.
Bruh.
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
This is a major bruh moment.
Bruh. That's probably what that rubber thing is for.
Yeah. Just to fill it back in.
All right, passenger side in.
Kind of skipped over most of the install.
Yeah, but we did the install on your car. So
Yeah.
And all that's the exact same.
Yeah. The main difference is because these are on a 7, they'll look different with the bumper.
Yes.
Right now it's fully off, yeah?
Yep.
Oh, there's the DRLs.
Wow.
Compared to
These are.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Get out the way,
Yeah, I was
bud.
gonna say, get a look.
Damn.
Do high beams.
That's how big the high beams.
There you go.
You're good.
The high beams are so bright on these things.
Are they?
I can't hear you, Josh. Hang on.
Give me get.
That's pretty loud. Oh yeah, there's the sequential.
that is the majority of the song.
Maybe.
So I'm just going, get the get. I got the get.
Now driver one.
Yes.
B.1. Point I.
Yeah, Mark 2.
Yeah, 2.
Part
2
B,
in Roman numerals.
Part B dot I. Part B dot 2. Or be do.
Or be do.
His brain's overloaded.
Install 1.2.2.
Here, you can get a view of Vincent's butt.
That's the get.
That's right.
That's right.
So driver side is on. One thing to notice about the 7s is that the actual plug for the headlights is like underneath. So for the driver side, you want to plug it in before you actually put in the headlight. Otherwise you won't be able to reach it because of the windshield wiper fluid reservoir. And now Vince is just tightening everything up.
No, more like working on fitment.
Never mind, he's working on fitment.
Hey Tyler.
Yes.
Grab the gun.
Got the gun.
Put in the one that's above my left arm.
Above your left arm?
Yep, down here.
Yeah.
Yep, just tighten that. That might be on loosen. That's on middle.
Oh, no, it's all the way around.
Okay, now come do this top one. Keep going. Yeah, it auto stops it, it's tightening.
I don't use these fancy tools. I use my dad's Ryobi and it just fucking crank it till it stops cranking.
Oh.
It doesn't have torque specifications.
Well, I mean, this doesn't either, but usually 8's like my reference point. Oh, shit.
No, I don't think it was over.
It's like, this gap and this gap are the same, but like down like here and here look to be off. Oh my god. It's like just this part needs to come up a little bit.
No, that looks.
Yeah.
This is a better fit than
I would say that this
the other side.
Well, yeah, okay, this fit is better than the other side for sure. But like this looks so much more gap than this does because this has that little lip up.
Well, this also lifts up higher. Like if you go look on the other side, you'll see that this comes up higher. It doesn't go back down. It like goes up at a higher angle.
All right, we run it.
Run it. Run it back, turbo.
Run it back, turbo. You can get beast dead in this bird.
The biggest name in the story we wanted. You just try to put a screw in that was non-existent.
No, I was tightening that one down.
Likely story.
Wait.
Oh, I love this story. Gosh.
Ty, you wanna open the door?
Mother.
Man, I'm dead. I love him, Mark. You're gonna have to.
Just still a little technical difficulties.
It's good.
Sure.
There. It's just right up your bum.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, we heard. I say that looks good. Here. You're on the way. It clips into the front bumper. It doesn't clip into this.
That's actually OEM fitment.
Yeah.
OEM fitment's like.
Oh, that's nice.
I can't wait to see what your beam patterns look like on the ground. I love the way the projectors look though when they're lit up.
Yeah. Well, because they're supposed to be they rotate when you turn, but we don't have that.
Yeah.
It'd be tough out here.
And dude, we don't got the lighting package.
I mean, we could probably get it. We could probably buy it.
Well, no, these headlights don't work with cars with the lighting package.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, you didn't. Yeah, it's a hassle to get the actual HID conversion.
Oh God, dude! If you tried to do OEM, if you take it to a Volkswagen dealership, it's like over $2,000.
It's a lot.
They'd be like,
Yeah.
It's
derpy, derpy, derpy,
It's $1,200 like per headlight.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
derpy, derpy, derpy. Where's this gonna go?
Sweet.
And if you want to do it yourself, you'd rather shoot yourself than try doing that.
Yeah.
Sorry, where'd you put your? Didn't you just attach yours right
Yeah, I
to the
attached
side?
mine right here, but yours is a little shaped different, but it still should work. You can just adhere it right there.
Yeah, just do that.
Yeah, just do that.
Do you have the
Easy.
adhesive that it came with?
It didn't come with adhesive.
It should have been in the box with your ballast.
It didn't.
It didn't work. Mine came with 2 little things of 3M.
Yeah, no, I know. But instead we come to the fun drawers.
Bumper back on.
Bumper
Vince
back
is
on.
putting on the fender liner.
Yeah.
Oh, we forgot to do another. Never mind. I'll tell you later.
Got it. I think the headlights look pretty good with the 7 bumper.
I can't read.
I will agree. Does look
And
pretty
I mean, Vince just doesn't have any mesh because he's doing work on a intercooler at ARM.
What are you running?
ARM Motorsports.
Yep.
Arm
Sponsor.
Motorsports. Technically, we're not sponsored in this video.
True.
True.
Except, actually, did I get anything for free?
Does he give you stuff for free to sponsor it?
No, I'm thinking just in general anything for free. No sponsors this
No sponsors
No
this video.
sponsors this time around.
Damn.
So we open, baby. We always open. We always open for some love. Ow, my foot. Ow.
We'll check back in once the car's all put back together and on the ground.
Yeah, the only problem is I can't run the, you know how we have auto dimming, like it auto reads the sunlight so like it knows if to be on DRLs or
Yeah.
actual headlights.
I just have mine on
You can't
auto
do
all
that.
the time.
That's
Wait,
fine.
yours turns off?
They can, it has an auto function, but now it can't.
Yeah.
With
Mine are just always on.
Yeah, so you have either on switch, off switch.
Yeah, we have
Right?
auto.
We have
Oh,
on
that's
switch,
right,
off switch,
auto.
or it
You
can
guys do have auto.
with the sensor.
Yeah, you're right.
But yeah, with the banner, it doesn't matter if it's on auto or not, it's on. Because if the banner's on it, it's reading that it's on. She looking good.
Looks really good. The red looks really nice with the red. Ooh, and the yellow fogs.
Oh, those fogs are bright. I haven't been able to use the fogs yet. Because the fogs have to be on with the headlights.
are really bright. Holy crap.
Get the get, get the get, get the get.
You're back though?
Oh, hold on, let me do a quick clean. You know, don't look at the rest of the car. Just look at the headlight.
Don't notice this salt.
Bro, I'm shot. Don't do that.
Yeah, we gotta get them next to each other.
Okay.
Yeah. 7.5 looks good. boys.
You gotta find a spot where we can force darken.
Take some pictures real quick. They look good.
Wait, can you finish what you're saying? What are we doing? An outro?
Yeah.
All right. Install 1 being easy, 10 being hard. Honestly, you need what? Two different bolts, or two different like a 3, maybe 2. If you can get under a car, it's a 2. If you can't get under the car, then I don't know what's wrong with you, and then it's a 3. They look really good. They fit. I would say pretty darn good.
Pretty well for aftermarket.
Yeah, considering my OEM ones were pretty gapped. I would say these are just about the equivalent, so still pretty good. That's it, right? And then we wait a while and then we come back with a post video.
Yeah, post video that hasn't come out yet for anything.
Yeah.
Yep.
Tyler, it's been, as of recording this video, it's been 3 days since yours.
It's been a minute.
Yep.
How have yours been?
Amazing. They're a lot brighter than the halogens, that's for sure. And they look really fucking cool. Like.
And the level isn't too high or too low for the headlights?
No, I don't feel like I'm blinding other drivers, which is a good thing. Which originally I was going to install just HIDs into the halogen housings, which would have blinded everyone on the road. Yeah. It would have been kind of cool, but like, I don't have these sick DRLs with that, so that was the main idea, was getting those DRLs. So I have no complaints.
All right.
I'm ready to go play Minecraft.
Yeah.
We need someone to say it.
All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace out.